Oh, hey, come on in. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome my mom. I'm so excited to have her today to take us through an amazing, simple dinner for the whole family.
That's right. It's one of our very favorites, chicken piccata.
It's gorgeous, and also it feeds around 4 people. So it's great for meal prep, or if you are a family of 4, like we are, I guess now 5 with my husband.
Yes.
Then this is the perfect thing for you. All right, should we do it?
Yeah, let's
All
go.
right. First and foremost, over here, I'm gonna unveil this chicken. Sometimes I don't like having like raw chicken just like sitting out. Basically what we did is slice these chicken breasts in half and then tenderize it. So what we did, basically, you just take a tenderizer and you beat it.
Try to get it nice and flat. So the thinner it is, the faster it cooks.
We are just going to slightly coat it in a little bit of flour. I'm just gonna come in here and take the flour.
You want me to just use my hands? My hands are clean, honey.
Okay, fine. Just coat each chicken breast.
Each side.
Very lightly.
Yeah,
just to get a tiny bit of crispiness. So we're just going to quickly do that on each side. Now, Mama, if you want to go over to the stove and just put a little bit of olive oil on the pan so it gets nice and hot.
I love olive oil.
Mama,
Okay.
I'll hand you this chicken.
All right. This is so easy to make. You could even do it on a Sunday to make the chicken, and maybe on Wednesday you want a nice dinner. Chicken piccata is like a nice romantic dinner too.
Ooh.
And then we just put the chicken all in the frying pan.
While that chicken piccata is frying on up, I'm just gonna come on in here, boil the water for our angel hair.
It's our favorite.
It's really our favorite. Then of course, we gotta season the chicken. We're just doing very simple seasonings of salt and pepper.
Because then we put the lemon on it, some capers on it, and it's so good.
I'm a little bit afraid of my mom's salt levels right here, but
I even like to put a little salt and white.
whoa, lots of
Pasta
salt.
water.
Whoa! So we're just gonna sear the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side at medium, and then I'm just gonna simmer it for another, I would say, 4 minutes to make sure it's fully cooked. In the meantime, Mom, tell us about these gorgeous lemons.
Yes, they're from our tree, our lemon tree. And when I was a little girl, my grandmother had a lot of lemon trees. She was from Croatia, so she used a lot of lemons, and her family also is from Italy, so they always use lemons. Also, parsley. That's the other big ingredient my grandmother always used in all her dishes. And did you know lots of vitamin C is in one leaf? Isn't that great?
Should we flip it? Just a tiny bit of flour goes such a long way. By the way, we're actually gonna put the chicken back in, so it doesn't really matter, but I just washed these tongs because I don't like the raw chicken from the cooked chicken.
Good idea.
I'm just gonna remove the chicken breast now. Look how gorgeous that is.
Oh.
Nice and seared on each end, and set that aside. Now, after you remove the chicken from the stovetop, just turn it on simmer. Let's cook up the sauce. I just like to take away a tiny bit. Mom, you like the little crispiness in there. I like to remove a little bit of the crispies, just so there's not as much char in the pan. What's next, Mama?
Okay, we're gonna make the sauce. The best part of all. You first start with the butter.
4 tablespoons.
4
and
tablespoons.
that's actually less butter than most chicken piccata recipes.
She's healthifying it a bit.
Healthifying. just
Yes,
a
she
little.
is.
If you do have a shallot, that's wonderful. I just honestly, if I'm gonna buy a shallot and it's just for one recipe, I just like to do a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of an onion. I would say not even 2 tablespoons of onion, just for that flavor.
And a little bit of chicken broth.
My mom says we don't need it, but I love my heavy cream. A tablespoon of olive oil.
Now for the lemons, the best part.
I'll let you do the honors since it's your lemons.
I love fresh lemon juice. I think it tastes so much better.
And some fresh garlic. I am actually doing 5 smaller cloves. I freaking love garlic though, so look at that garlic.
It pays to have muscles.
Looks like it's pasta time.
Okay, it's boiling, ready to put it in.
So I'm just taking a ½ pound of angel hair. Angel hair is my favorite, but be careful because it cooks faster than other types of pasta, so that only takes 4 minutes to get that al dente.
And now it's time for the capers. And I like to put about 2 tablespoons with a little bit of the juice.
And then just to thicken it up, as my mom is stirring, I'm just gonna stir in a tiny bit of flour.
It gets nice and thick right away.
Oh, that sauce is looking so good already.
I love it.
Excuse me, Mama.
All right, honey.
I'm gonna take this angel hair off the stove, and Mom, I'd love you to throw the chicken back in. Oh, yay, fingers.
That's how I roll in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, look at how good this looks.
Wow. Oh,
Look
my
at this.
gosh.
Oh my,
Wow.
oh, it smells so
good. I'm just gonna take a serving dish just like this and just put the angel hair right on in there. I'm just gonna make sure the angel hair has a little flavor, little olive oil. Let's do some salt and pepper. New tong, don't worry.
And then the chicken goes over and the tastes are just unbelievable.
We are not done yet. We are just going to top with a little bit of parsley. Come on in here.
Really
Holy
come on
moly.
in. Look at this.
Holy moly.
Unbelievable. And then I'm gonna cut a few lemon slices to garnish. So good, Katie. Your husband is gonna love this.
And your husband.
Yes,
My father.
my honey bunny.
I mean.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Can't wait.
All right, Mama Bear.
Okay. Yum.
It's time to taste test.
Yay.
My favorite part of Come On In.
We get to eat. I'm from a big family, so everybody loves food. And Katie's our cook for the whole family. All
You
40
too.
of us.
You
Well, I
are
love to too.
Oh, you gotta get that sauce.
Oh yeah, you healthify things, so it's even better. Yum. Look at that. Beautiful.
And then I'm just gonna top each one. A little bit of Parmesan. Gotta get all that sauce.
Yeah. Get the sauce, baby.
The best parts.
Oh, and it tastes so good with the pasta too. Oh, so good.
Wow.
Can we eat
Good
it?
work.
And you know what? It's a dinner less than 30 minutes.
I
You've
love
got
that.
it. 30 minutes
We
or
are
less.
all busy people, especially
Yes.
when serving your family. This is something that the whole family will love.
This looks like a great Italian restaurant meal, but made right at home. You'll love it.
That is so good.
Oh.
Wow. That lemon is so fresh. Get it so hearty at the same time.
Guys are gonna love it. Oh,
This might be your new weeknight staple.
at least once a week.
Nice work.
My girl.
All right, you guys, make sure to try this simple chicken piccata recipe. It's nice and lemony. It's so freaking delicious. And it's so perfect for the entire family. So we hope you love it. From our family to yours, thanks for
Yes.
tuning in.
Love you guys.